When I was growing up, there was no TV, but we had a radio set, and of course, we had records. Full stop. There were the old kind of record now known as 78, and one side of a record played for about 2.5 minutes. Full stop. My mother liked all of the family to be at home on Sunday evenings. She did not like us to go out, but we were free to ask to the house any of our friends. Full stop. The number of young people who sat down at table for the evening meal was sometimes 20 and was always more than 12, so we were a large and happy party. Full stop. It became our custom when the meal was at an end to continue to sit round the table for an hour or two while records were played. Full stop. The machine was not of the electric save you trouble kind that we now use, but had a motor that required attention at the end of each side of a record, and of course it played only one record at a time. Full stop. This meant that one of our number had to take on the responsibility of keeping the machine going and putting on the records. Full stop. My father used to bring home a new record most weekends so that we had a good many. Full stop. People used to call out for a record they desired to hear, and no one seemed to want to talk while the record was playing, as is done so often now. Full stop. Therefore, we were able to hear the records in peace, and we got to know every detail of them. Full stop. We all loved this or two of record playing very much, and I know that it lives in the memories of all who were present on those evenings. Full stop. We had a very good time at very little cost, and no one had the smallest desire to go out and make life difficult for some other person. Full stop. On the Saturday evenings, we generally had a party also, but they were much more free and easy and were certainly not planned with the idea of having a peaceful time. Full stop. We always asked the people next door to come to the parties so that they would not be upset by the sounds that without doubt issued from our house. Full stop. What a good time we used to have, and it was a good time in which the whole family and any of their friends who wished to play a part. Full stop. I expect my mother had to work hard on Fridays, but we all did something to help, and there is no doubt that everyone seemed to like those weekends. Full stop and close. सुनाएं जी, वो
जी
कहाँ
मैं ही
चली
हूँ,
गई
और
है?
तो कोई है नहीं। पता नहीं सर, मैंने अभी देखा तो मैं ही हूँ सिर्फ क्लास।
हाँ जी, स्मारा पढ़ें।
सर आपको रबीज ने बताया वो नहीं आएगा आज।
नहीं,
When I was growing up, there was a detail, but
no TV.
we had sat, and of course,
We had a radio
Yes, sir.
set. We had a radio
we had
set.
a radio set. Yes, sir, we had a radio set, and of course, we had records. Full stop. There were a kind
There were the
and
old kind.
there were a old kind of record now known as 78 and half, and one side
One
of a
side,
record played one side of a record played for about 2.5 minutes. Full stop. My mother liked at all of the family to be at home on Sunday evenings. She did not like was to go out when we were
but
free
we were
to ask of to the but we were free to ask to the used many of
to the
our
house.
friends. Full stop.
To
A
the
number of
house.
young people who said did not add
Sat
trouble
down.
for the evening.
Sat down.
Sat down at table for the evening meal was
गौर
sometimes
से पढ़ा करो
20
अच्छे तरीके से
and
देख
was
के,
a day.
पहले अच्छे तरीके से देखा करो वर्ड को गौर से, फिर उसको पढ़ा करो। जी,
जी सर।
कितनी मरतबा इसकी मशक की है?
सर पता नहीं, काफी दफा किया है।
कितनी, 10 दफा लिखा है इसको?
नहीं सर, 10 दफा नहीं लिखा पूरा।
कितनी बार लिखा है?
सर 4 से 5 दफा लिखा है।
तो गलतियां क्यों इतनी आती हैं, क्या वजह है? अब तक 700 पे आपको कंट्रोल
सर
नहीं हो रहा।
सर आज
इसमें तो
बुखार
मुश्किल
हुआ हुआ है,
लफ्ज नहीं
पढ़ा
है।
नहीं जा रहा।
इम्प्रूव करें अपने आप को, थोड़ा थोड़ा
जी
करके
सर।
लिखा करें, एकदम पूरी मश्क ना लिखा करें। पहले आप एक पैरे
ओके
को
सर।
लिखा करें, जब वो आपको अच्छे तरीके से लिखना आ जाए, आप उसे पढ़ें, आपसे पढ़ा जाए और आपको पता चल रहा हो कि गलतियां नहीं हो रही है, फिर आप अगला पैरा करें, फिर आप अगला पैरा करें, फिर आप
जी
अगला
सर।
पैरा करें। इस मेथड को अडॉप्ट करें, पूरा ना एकदम लिखें, और लिख के उसके बाद उसको चेक भी करें कि आप सही लिख सक रही हैं या नहीं लिख सक रही हैं, और लफ्ज़ों को जोड़ जोड़ के
ओके
लिखें।
सर।
जी,
ओके सर। Neil was sometimes 20 and was always or
ऑलवेज के बाद मोर
found
देन।
12 more than 12 was we were
सो
a
हुई,
so we were an large a highly party
एंड
full stop
हैप्पी पार्टी।
it a and happy party full stop it a come our custom when
became.
the meal it became our custom when the meal was it and
मील
now
वाज एट द एंड। इट और एट में फर्क है, एट कहाँ लिखती हैं आप?
सर फर्स्ट प्लेसमेंट पे।
तो क्या ये फिर आपने फर्स्ट पे नहीं लिखा हुआ, इसको आप इट पढ़ रही हो? एट और इट में तो
सर
बहुत
फर्स्ट
फर्क है।
प्लेसमेंट पे लिखा हुआ है।
पढ़ें आगे।
meal was had and to
निकालें जरा
continue
अपनी अपनी ये कैमरा करें अपनी शॉर्ट हैंड की तरफ।
okay sir
फोकस करें।
सर ये लिखा हुआ है।
जी, सुनाएं।
चल बंद कर
नहीं सुनाए ना, यहीं से कैमरा लगा के रखें, सुनाएं। कैमरा एक हाथ से पकड़ के रखें।
to continue to set round at round the table। अब तो सर मुझे और समझ आया।
फॉर, टेबल के बाद है फॉर एन ऑफ दी।
and of the two while records were
इलेक्ट्रिक
let
सेव
Yes,
यू
sir.
ट्रबल।
तो ये नहीं सर ये तो आगे नहीं है। द मशीन was not of the electronic save you trouble but when
You कहाँ
we
लिखा है?
continue your
ट्रबल आगे पूरा दिखाओ ना, कैमरा आधा किया हुआ है, आधी आधी काफी नजर आ रही है। इधर को करो कैमरे को थोड़ा,
ये लिखा you trouble good
कैमरे को
when
थोड़ा सा इधर को करो, लेफ्ट साइड पे। हाँ यहाँ रखो ऐसे, अब सही नजर आ रहा है।
good that we
काइंड दैट,
knew kind that we continue use
कंटिन्यू ऐसे होता है, ये
but
नाउ लिखा हुआ है।
थर्ड कंटिन्यू तो थर्ड प्लेस में जो होता है।
नाउ लिखा हुआ है, नाउ
नाउ यूज जी सर, नाउ यूज बट
यूज कैसे लिखा है?
हैड अ मदर।
ये से
जी सर,
यूज होता है, ये से नीचे सर्कल किस चीज का बनाया हुआ है? फोकस करो जरा इस पे।
सर सर यूं आता है यूज।
नीचे फिर सर्कल बना रही हो, नीचे किस चीज का सर्कल बना रही हो?
सर यूं आएगा ना।
हाँ तो नीचे सर्कल क्यों जोड़ रही हो? ऊपर एस डी आएगा, यूज। यूज में अगर एस आएगा यूज तो
यस
एस का
सर।
आएगा। यूज्ड बोलूंगा तो आगे या तो सर्कल लगाओगी या लूप लगाओगी।
सर
ऊपर हुक लगा रही हो, नीचे सर्कल लगा रही हो, और ये किधर को जोड़ रही हो?
यस सर।
चलें पढ़ें आगे।
यूज हैड अ मोटर दैट requirement attention
रिक्वायरमेंट कहाँ आ
of
गया?
the and
आपने मेंट लिखा है?
sir required
रिक्वायर्ड पढ़ें जी यहाँ से
required
मुकम्मल।
attention
Require attention at the end of each side of a record, and of course it played only one record at a time, full stop. This meant that our one of our yes,
नंबर
one of our number had to take on the responsibility of keeping machine going and going ये क्या
एंड
है?
पुटिंग।
And putting on the record full stop. My father used to bring home a new record most weekends so that we had a good many full stop. People used to call out for a record they desired to hear, and no one some to want to take
सीम्ड
seemed to want to take while record was playing, as is done so often now, full stop. Therefore we were played her the
वी
record,
वर एबल टू।
we were able to hear records in peace, and we got to know every detail of them, full stop.
बस यहाँ
We
से
all
आगे लिखें जुडिशरी का।
yes sir,
नमान आज फिर नहीं आया?
yes sir, Numan bhai, yes sir. चलिए वो बोर्ड वाले लड़के तो आ रहे हैं एकेडमी में टाइपिंग करने के लिए।
एक दो लड़के आ रहे हैं, उनके पेपर हैं।
सर जी 3 लड़के आ रहे हैं, मैंने आज 3 को देखा है, एक मोटा था उसमें 2 दूसरे थे।
उनके पेपर हैं भाई, थोड़े दिनों
ठीक
के
है
लिए आ रहे हैं वो। आपके पेपर तो नहीं है?
पेपर ही है सर हमारा भी, जैसे लॉकडाउन खत्म हो गया सर सैटरडे से, अभी वज़ीर आज़म ने ऐलान कर दिया है।
क्या?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम
तो
अस्सलाम।
बस फिर हमारा जुडिशरी का मुल्तान का टेस्ट आ जाएगा सर।
आपका अभी नहीं आ रहा टेस्ट?
अच्छा
कैंसिल
हम
हो
तैयारी
गया।
और अच्छी कर लें।
इसके
ना
बाद
करो सर
लॉकडाउन
ऐसे
खत्म
कैंसिल
होगा।
वाली, सर कैंसिल वाली बात तो ना करो।
लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा तो फिर बुला लेंगे आपको इधर ही। वो भी
लॉकडाउन
अभी
खत्म
शुरू।
हो गया सर, आज उन्होंने अनाउंसमेंट कर दी है वज़ीर आज़म ने,
हम्म,
तो सैटरडे से लॉकडाउन खत्म है, कल तक है लॉकडाउन।
चलो मंडे से तुम्हारी क्लास शुरू कर देंगे इधर।
ओके
लिखें जी।
यस सर।
According to prosecution case, the complainant Mushtaq Khan, ASI, was informed by somebody that a person is being abducted in a cycle rickshaw, full stop. He rushed and intercepted the cycle rickshaw in front of Kotli Imam, where from the abductee Ahsan was recovered in conscious condition, duly wrapped in a burqa, full stop. The statement of abductee was subsequently recorded under section 161 and 164 CRPC, wherein he has given details of the occurrence that he was invited by the accused party to their house to purchase some household articles, as the accused party was in dire need of money for treatment of a family member, full stop. There he was forcibly injected intoxicant and wrapped in burqa for shifting to tribal area for ransom, because the accused party was expecting handsome ransom, as he belongs to the profession of goldsmith, full stop. During his shifting in cycle rickshaw, he resisted and scrammed in semi-conscious condition, full stop. Somebody around perceived his abduction and informed the police, and he was rescued, full stop. The accused petitioner was arrested on the spot in the aforesaid circumstances, and it is noteworthy that the statement of abductee was recorded under section 164 CRPC in presence of accused petitioner and his counsel, but they did not avail the afforded opportunity to exercise the right of cross-examination, full stop. Although it was agitated that the prosecution story is unreasonable and unbelievable, but without going deep into the merits of the case, it is opted that each criminal case has its own peculiar facts and circumstances, full stop. Two criminal cases cannot be identical since human conduct differs. Some cases may have a very different and extra peculiar circumstances, full stop. In the present case, although the accused petitioner is alleged to be a juvenile, but he is well connected with the crime of abduction for ransom on the basis of the statement of abductee coupled with circumstantial evidence and recoveries, full stop. Hence, not entitled to bail. This petition is dismissed and closed. सुनाए जी रमीज।
ये बड़ी गंदी है, ये तो कल की तरह आपने ढूंढा है कोई।
According to prosecution case, the plaintiff complainant Mukhtar Khan ASI was informed by some of Mushtaq Khan ASI was informed by some of it that a person is being inducted in a cycle rickshaw which जी सर
चलें
cycle rickshaw which he rushed and intercepted cycle rickshaw in front of total where from Hassan was recovered
from the abductee
Hassan was recovered in Hassan was recovered in unconscious condition, duly wrapped
semi-conscious condition.
जी सर,
सेमी कॉन्शियस
सेमी
कंडीशन.
कॉन्शियस, the semi-conscious condition duly wrapped in a burqa. The statement of was subsequently recorded under section 161, 164 CRPC, wherein he is given details
He
of the
has
occurrence that he was invited. जी
he
sir,
has given
he has the that he was the
he
he
has
has
given
invite he
given
he has given details of the occurrence that he was invited by the accused party of their house to produce
to purchase
to purchase some house held article
Hold.
hold articles.
hold articles as the accused party was entered
Endowed.
Dire
in, in dire note of money
need
money
of money.
for need of money for treatment of a family member through he was forcibly in
There he
Here he
was
was.
there he was forcibly in, induct, induct,
injected
Injected. Injected.
injected wrapped in burqa
intoxicant. क्या त्याग क्या लिखा नहीं जाता
नहीं
आपसे?
लिखा नहीं लिखा
ये आज तो बड़ा अच्छा लिखा हुआ है इसमें सर.
चलें इसको ना ये नेट से देख के इसको दोबारा आपने प्रैक्टिस करनी है बार बार. पढ़ें जी आगे आप.
चलिए मेरे से भी नहीं लिखा जाएगा. Intoxicant and wrapped in burqa or shifting to tribal area for ransom because accused party was accepting handsome ransom to the profession of goldsmith. During his shifting in Cyclixa, he resisted and some ये तो सर scrammed in semi conscious condition full stop. Semi conscious condition full stop. Some body around DRS or preserve sir preserved his ये तो सर addition
abduction
his abduction and informed the police and he was rescued full stop. The accused petitioner was arrested on the spot in the aforesaid circumstances and it is and it is not worthy that the statement of ये था sir adoptee was recorded under abductee. इसका मतलब क्या है सर abductee का?
अगवा जिसको किया गया मगवी.
Abductee was recorded under section 164 CRPC in presence of accused petitioner and his
counsel वकील
and his counsel in counsel, but they did not avail to afford opportunity to exercise. Yes sir, avail the afford opportunity to exercise right of cross examination, although it was adjected that the prosecution story was
agitated.
Yes sir, वो था ना. Yes sir, agitated that the prosecution story was unreasonable and unbelievable, deep and to the
prosecution story is unreasonable.
Is unreasonable and unbelievable, deep and to the merit of the case.
But without going, यहाँ तीन लफ्ज़ खा गए आप. But without going deep into.
But without going deep and to the merit of the case, it is opted. Each criminal case has its own back facts and circumstances to criminal case.
Peculiar facts and circumstances.
Yes sir, PK है ना, PK ही लिखा हुआ है. बस वो बड़ा बैग नहीं क्या हुआ.
PK क्यों लिखा? Peculiar क्यों नहीं लिखा आपने?
सर peculiar के लिए PK लिखते हैं. ये देखें सर, peculiar circumstance.
अच्छा, मैंने कहा शायद वैसे PK लिख दिया.
सर वो वाला PK नहीं लिखा. PK facts, peculiar facts and circumstances to criminal case kind be
Two criminal
identical.
cases cannot be
Two criminal
identical.
cases cannot be identical since home
Human
human conduct human talk human
human
talk
conduct
di- human conduct difference some case
differs.
we have differs some case we have
Some
free
cases
out and some cases we have free, from out and
may
extra
have a
peculiar may have a from out and extra
very
peculiar circumstances. नहीं सर आज नहीं पढ़ा
Very.
very out and extra peculiar circumstances in the present case although the accused petitioner is alleged to be a ये था एक मिनट सर ये था
juvenile
ये ऐसी कोई word
नाबालिग
क्या था सर?
juvenile
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 but he yes sir juvenile but he is well connected with the crime of fact for
crime of abduction अगवा करने के जुर्म में
yes sir crime of abduction for
ransom अगवा बराए
on the statement of
तावान ransom
yes sir ये तो याद है ये तो LLB की टर्म है ये तो याद है ransom on the statement of
on the basis of the statement of
on the basis of
On
the
the
statement
basis
of on the basis of the statement of abductee except coupled yes sir coupled with
That-
circumstantial
That नहीं भाई,
evidence
with.
and circumstantial evidence and recoveries full stop hence in entitled to
not
appeal
not
this
entitled
not entitled to appeal this
to
petition is
bail
dismissed.
to bail
yes sir bail ही लिखा
इसमें
हुआ
बहुत
आज तो
गलतियां
समझ आ
की
रही
हैं
है।
बहुत गलतियां इसको 2-3 दफा लिखो
ये देखें सर बेल ही लिखा हुआ है समझ नहीं आ रही क्या हुआ बेल दिस पिटीशन इज दिस
बेल यहाँ आएगा बेल तो
Yes, sir,
सेकंड
bail
प्लेस पे
यही है।
आएगा
नहीं सर
बेल
अपील के लिए डॉट लगा देंगे अपील नहीं ये डॉट नहीं लगाएंगे तो बेल है ऐसे ये देखें सर ये
अपील
देखें
लाइन से
कपल्ड ही
ऊपर
लिखा हुआ
लिख
है
अपील तो
आप-
फर्स्ट प्लेस है अपील तो फर्स्ट प्लेस है
प्लेस पे
सर।
लिखा जाएगा बेल सेकंड प्लेस पे लिखा जाएगा टच दी
सर,
लाइन
मैं हर तरफ यही लिखता हूँ सर ये देखें सर कपल भी ये लिखा हुआ यही पढ़ा गया समझ नहीं आया आज क्या हुआ
इसके 3-4 दफा प्रैक्टिस करें चलें
sir.
ठीक है जी आज की इतनी क्लास ही हो रही है बस
ठीक
ठीक है ओके सर